there, crafty kids! Welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. Today, we're going to make paper masks. Let's see what arts and crafts supplies we need to get started. Come on! Grab a scissors for kids, a piece of card, some pom-poms or stickers, some glue. I have Pritt stick and PVA glue, a wooden ice lolly stick, and a pencil. Using your pencil, draw 2 almond shapes for, you guessed it, the eyes. Next, draw the outline of the mask. It doesn't have to be perfect, different is good. Using your scissors, carefully cut around the outline. Ask a grown-up for help if it's getting tricky. Now cut the eyes out by gently folding the card. Next, grab your glue. I'm using Pritt Stick here, but I think you should just use the PVA for extra stickiness. Stick your decorations onto the glue. Use pom-poms or pieces of cut up coloured paper, anything you can think of. Remember, get as creative as you like and use what you have. I'm also adding glitter glue too, which you could use. Time to stick the mask to the lollipop stick. PVA glue is definitely better for this. Leave it to dry, and hey presto, we have a paper mask. So guys, that's the end of our Make a Mask with Yippee Crafts episode. But don't worry, we'll have more exciting projects next week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget, keep crafting, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye bye. And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.